Hey everybody, today's just going to be a short, fun video of me making the boot from WALL-E out of clay. WALL-E is one of my favorite, if not my favorite, Pixar movie. So I decided it would be fun to build a little prop I could put on a shelf. It's my first time working with clay. I worked with clay when I was little, building random things here and there, but never really sculpting before. So it was kind of my first time. I built the little armature or the filling out of tin foil so that the whole thing wasn't one solid mass of clay, and I built up the form from there. I don't really have any proper tools for this, which is fine. I just improvised, and toothpicks and an X-Acto knife and wire worked really well. There's one thing I wish I had done a little differently. It's the plant. I wish it was a little more delicate, but it does look like a plant, so I'm not complaining. Put that in the oven, 275 for about 20 minutes, and it was good to go. If you want a list of the paints that I used for this, they will be down in the description. After I painted, I put on a clear coat. It's good to go. It's just a nice, fun little project. It didn't take me long at all. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.